We've told you about the hottest new community in downtown Greenville, and now we want to take you on site and give you a little progress report so you can see just how quickly things are changing on site. The Village of West Greenville is known for its food, for its art, for its culture, but it's quickly becoming the place that people want to live. And the Kitson is in the middle of it all. And best of all, we still have some opportunities for you. This neighborhood has always been about creativity. Murals on every corner, chefs pushing boundaries, artists filling studios with energy, and now the residential side is catching up. The Kitson is officially Greenville's hottest up-and-coming neighborhood in the Village of West Greenville. When we first introduced you to the Kitson, it was just an exciting vision. Fast forward and wow, Building 1 completely sold out. Building 2 nearly there with just a few opportunities left. And trust me, you're going to want to see them before they're gone. These townhomes aren't just homes. They're front row seats to the village lifestyle. Imagine stepping out your front door and walking to have coffee, dinner, or an art show. Imagine living in a place where progress is literally happening around you every day, where every week there's a new restaurant, gallery, or a new neighbor moving in. That's what makes the Kitson so special. The progress in the past 5 months has been incredible. Siding is up, interiors are taking shape, and very soon, this won't just be a construction site. There'll be homes ready to welcome their first owners. So this is Building 1 behind me. These are all spoken for, but in Building 2, which is right here on Pendleton Street, we still have 2 opportunities and some killer incentives. Plus, we just opened the sale of Building 3. So if you know somebody who wants to live in the middle of all the action and all the fun and the food and the culture here in the Village of West Greenville, this is your chance. Don't blow it. This will be the one that got away. Did I mention we have some killer incentives? I'm Angela Rodriguez with Encore Realty. Please reach out or send this to someone who is looking to live in the Village of West Greenville. I'd love to be your guide to Greenville. Please reach out. You can call me or send me a message. I'll see you on the next video.